GridView is the best thing and the easiest way if you want to display a lot of menu in the one pages or a lot of items. So right now, GridView is used by the photo gallery, dashboard, setting, and a lot and soon. Well, today we're gonna start to learn how to use the GridView in the Android Studio to contains a lot of the item in the one pages. But before we learn how to code, we're gonna start how to design with the Adobe XD. So right now, I'm gonna show you how it works. Hi, my name is Angga Risky and welcome back to my video in YouTube. So prepare your Android Studio and Adobe XD and let's get started. Okay everyone, so let's design an app here. So this is the latest of Adobe XD that I have downloaded for free. Yeah, this is XD. So probably you have to install it for free and we're gonna use the Android mobile. Okay, cool. So this is, I will design export world. So we're gonna design the app that contains a lot of portfolio. It's like the online portfolio that you can take a look and you can also read the detail of information. Okay, so first of all, we have to design one screen and just save your file here, explore work. And also, I have prepared several images that I can use in this project. Okay, so right now, just change the background color to become darker, maybe F5, F5, and F5. And after that, you draw the toolbar or header is about 50, and don't forget to group it as the header. Okay, so this is for the background. We use border, but I think the border have to be gentle. It's about A6, E6, E6, and E6, and resize, and resize. Okay, cool. And after that, I want to put text here as the title is the explored work. Okay. The font type have to be Roboto because we are using Android. Okay. And the color have to be black. Probably that I use 6A, 6A, and 6A. 6A. We put to the middle like this. Okay, cool. Okay, so the next steps is copy the rectangle. This is for our item, and we have to counting manually. So the full width is about 360. So we are using the calculator here. 360 divided by 2 minus with the margin right and margin left is 32 and minus by 8, 140. So it have to be 140 and it will contain about 120. I think it have to send. Okay. So the margin left is 16 and margin top is 16. Okay. And what else? Oh yeah. I have to group it as the item. And you have to setting the radius, the border radius 8 pixel. Okay. And you're going through of this item and just duplicate this rectangle without border. Just change the fill color to become darker like this, but you have to make it small. Okay, just make it small again. Okay, cool. Now you select this rectangle and you're going to your desktop or to select any image, so you can boom like this. Cool. Okay, So you just need to repeat a grid here. Oops. I think that I don't have to use this, so I will do manually. Oops, I think I was wrong to counting the design. So let's try again here. 360 divided by 2 minus by 32 and minus by 8. It have to wait 360, right? 60 divided by 2. Okay, try to okay, and then you have to move here and minus 16. Okay, what if I copy this item? So I have to minus by 8. Okay, so oh sorry 156. Okay, cool. And just copy like this. Okay, now you have to change the images to the another image that you have, and just repeat the steps previously to change the other image. Okay, cool. If you have the rest of image, you can design until finish right here. Okay, so this is the grid view that we will design on. So later on in the Android, we have to design manually this one and a lot of things that you have to learn in this video. Okay, so right now we just need to select this picture and Command E, and you have to create a folder assets explore. Okay, and just use for the Android and 100 mdpi, and here that you have to select maybe work 1 and just repeat again work 2, but wait, let me check. Okay, and just repeat again work 3, and the last one is work 4. Okay, nice, you are on board. Now the next step is only to continue to the Android Studio. So welcome to the Android Studio. So we just need to create a new Android Studio project with the export grid work. Okay, next. Okay, currently I'm using the API 19, but later on we need some toolbar, so you have to upgrade it. Probably you have to use API 22. Next, and this is for the main activity. Just finish. Okay, so it's ready to use. So first of all, you have to import your own assets through drawable. So this is that we will import. Just copy and going to the drawable and okay. So I think that you have the design here. Where was it? Oops, sorry. Let's try again. You select all of this. I think we can start with the bigger one because it will responsive. I hope so. So just press here, drawable, Okay, so you got this picture, and nice. So complete. Done? No. So in the current design that we have, we are using the constraint, so we have to change it to the linear to make it more easier. And I think that I don't need this, and also I don't need the header, so you have to go to the styles and just remove it to no action bar, and there's no action bar. And I want to change the color of the status bar to make it matching with the our style. So what I do here, just change this hex code BE. Okay, nice, cool. And for the linear layout, you have to change the background color. So we're going back to Adobe XD and get the hex code is F5, F5, and F5. Okay, cool. Okay, after that, just working with the toolbar first. So here, I will create the toolbar with the layout width have to be match parent, and this is 50 dp. Okay, and you can also setting the background color white. Okay, and we need the border also. Oh, I think that we have to customize by drawable. So let me show you how it works. First of all, we have to go into drawable to new and drawable resource file, and this is background header. Okay, we're going to the text section, and selector we have to replace by shape. So then after that, just use the solid color, which is for the background, and use the stroke for the border. And color, yeah, we need the color. We select the color is E6, E6, E6. Okay. Okay, nice. So we're going back to the activity, and background is a drawable background header. Now you got the custom header. Look nice, right? And I think I want to copy this E6, E6, and going back to the style, sorry, going back to the color and put like this. Okay. And then inside of the toolbar, we have to prepare the text view. Okay, this is for the wrap content, and this is wrap content. And we have to put the title, which is explore work. Okay, and after that we have to get the ID title header. Okay, and also I want to text size is 20 sp with the color is, so we just need to select this export word to copy the hex code color. Now you got what you want. Alright, nice. And I think I'm gonna increase to 55 dp, and we just have the title in the center. So I think that use gravity, but it doesn't working. Just layout. Okay, it working now. Cool. Toolbar is done. Okay, so you can preview your application first. Just run the app, and I will choose the the Android device that I have. This is the virtual devices. Okay everyone, so far that we have this one. Looks nice. Good job. Now we just want to continue to the items. So just close this. And below of the toolbar we have to setting the grid view. Okay. So the grid view, it have to be a match parent with the match parent. Okay. And we can also get the margin right 16 dp and margin left is 16 dp. Okay. And after that you have to give the ID of it, grid view. And below of the IDs we have to setting the gravity to the center. And also we want to setting the column width only 2 item. Sorry, 150 dp. And for the num column only 2 item. Okay. So you're not able to see anything here because we haven't setting yet in the activity. So we just going to the Java main activity here and setting for the grid view and grid view. Okay. So grid view, we have to select the grid view first, RID grid view, and then after that we have to use the grid adapter, but we don't have grid adapter yet. So grid adapter, yeah, we have to create the grid adapter later on. New grid adapter and these images. Okay, and then just grid view set adapter to grid adapter. Okay, and we have to create an array to contains our images here. So just use the ent, and this is for the images. Okay, so we just need to load from drawable work number 1 and just copy and paste until 4. Okay, it's really complicated. It's different when you are designing or coding for the website. Okay, so our problem now is only to setting this grid adapter. So we have to create a new Java class, new Java, yeah, with the grid adapter and extend with the base adapter. And you might see this line, just implement the methods and okay. And after that you have to setting several variables here, which is the context and then private final ent for the image. Okay, and then view because we want to load the view from the other single XML. And for the layout inflator is layout inflator. Okay, and after that you click right and use the generate to generate the constructor. So just generate the context and images. Okay, cool. And then in the get view we have to replace with the single XML. So this returner just remove, and you have to use the layout inflator and then layout inflator and context get system service
and then just context layout inflator surface. Okay, and after that you have to setting the comfort field, but here we're gonna make some validation to validate the data is excised or not. So if convert field now, and then just view, new view, and here you have to setting with the context. Okay, and after that just view a layout inflator inflate layout inflator inflate to the we load the layout single item, but we don't have yet, so later on we want to create it. Okay, so before we continue, we want to create this single item first. Okay, so just going to the drawable, just going to the layout and new layout resource file, single item. So this single item will contain your images. Okay, I'm not usually with this, just using the linear. Okay, here just use the images view with the design match parent, and the height is 150 dp. Okay, and then after that you have to setting the ID. So the ID is image view. Okay, and then after that you have to setting the margin. Cool, and we need some padding. Okay, and the background we have to use this background header, but background header doesn't have any corner, so probably that we just want to duplicate this background header. So you just need to select all of them and going to drawable again to create new resource file for the background item, and just paste, but we have to load the corners, so radius is 8 dp. Okay, cool. Now we're going back to the single item. In the single item we got the background item, so when you see there's the radius in the item. Very nice. Okay, so I think that we can save it for now. And don't forget, in the linear layout you have to setting the gravity to the center. Okay, so just close it for now. If you're going back to the grid adapter, you might see the single item it changes because we just created this design, this layout. So let's continue this grid adapter and just image view. So we are load new class here, image view, and here find, because this is different layout, so we have to find with the view and RID image view. Okay, and then after that, this one, yeah, do we load? I think wrong. Okay, nice. And then after that just continue image view is set image resource from the images position. Okay, cool. And I think that we got something wrong here, so we have to return here, return view. Okay, we can close it and it changes, close it, and let's see is it working or not. So just run this application to the emulator. Okay, so there was no error, but you can't see because since we are using the linear, we have to setting the orientation to vertical, so you can see those items. I'm sorry. And for the grid view, we have to give the margin top to 16 dp. Okay, and we're gonna start again to the emulator to see what we get here. Yeah, but can the where's the images? I think that we have to check again. Do we miss something here? Okay, so to get the data, we have to counting how many data that we have. So previously that we have prepared this ent, and we forgot. Actually, it's mine. It's my fault. Forgot to return the images length. Okay, so perhaps it will help us. Ta-da! This is looks nice. And can you go back to the single item to change the cell tab to fit XY and play again? Okay, now it looks better. So this is from design, and this is what we get. Yeah, it little different, but never mind, as long the design is work perfectly. So good job.
Okay everyone, I think that was useful for you. And I'm sorry if I got a mistake. So probably you gonna click like and comment and share with your friends. And also don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So see you in the next video. Bye.